Hi everybody, welcome to part 2 of our masonry stairs repair. In this section we are making the split face to the stones that we cut off for the length that we needed. And this is how you do it. You can use a chisel or you can use a chipping hammer and just chip away with a steady hand. The next step is to prep the area. We're going to clean it all up and get it ready for a mortar. When you put your step in, you want to make sure that you pitch it so that water flows away from the house, and you follow that through with the rest of the steps. Always use a hand to help you with the heavy stones. Also keep in mind that the height of the steps should not go beyond 8 inches, as that is the maximum allowed height per the building code. Notice here that we are putting a diagonal joint between the riser and the thread, just to help water flowing away from the stone. Continue the same process until you get all the threads in. And after we get the last stone in place, then we're gonna do a repair of the existing concrete platform that's in there. We're gonna use a concrete repair mix self-leveling compound, and that's gonna make our concrete look like new and make it stronger. Also, the old asphalt that was in front of the last step was pretty it had a lot of dips in it, so we put a cold patch on that. After that, everything settles and sets. We put our railings and post system in, and the last thing you want to do is acid wash the steps to get rid of any haze. If you like the content that we're bringing you, the best way you could support is by subscribing and sharing with your friends. Again, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button.